Yes, Massive and Crew back once again with another video, and today we are going to talk about the PC that crashed. Good news, people, I managed to get it sorted out. Turns out that got a suggestion from Old Man Brook. Big up, Jay, nice one, mate. It turns out it's the memory that was knackered on it. There was, I don't know, 1 or 2 of the memory sticks were no good. So I went online, I bought a whole new set of memory for the computer. Now put a new 8 gig in there, and to my surprise it started booting up. I also changed the power supply as well, just to eliminate that possibility, because it was only running on like a 200 watt power supply. I've upgraded that now to a 450 watt power supply, so it can handle stuff like graphics. I've also updated the graphics card as well to one of those Nvidia 1080 Ti's or something, whatever it is anyway. But yeah, just a quick heads up, folks, we are back up and running for the live streams now. Looking forward to going forward. Also mentioned in that previous video, as you can see here, I've now moved down all of the rack units enough to put my easy zip drive here, so that the SCSI cable can reach from here to here, and then down to the PC, which is around the corner there. So now I've now got a setup working, and I can also do the chat box from this screen up here when we go live. So things are looking really positive now. I'm going to get my head back down into what I was doing before all this palaver happened. Also new merchandise. Hopefully this should be up on the Samplers website by the time you see this. This is the Brain logo embroidered hat, snapback. That's it for today. Take care, God bless, peace.